Welcome to Chada, Valencia!
Welcome to Chada, Valencia, also known as the municipality of Valencia, Lazuriaga, the little Baguio of Negros Oriental.
It is located 10 km west of Dumaguete City. From the city, you can take a jeepney bound to Valencia. Fare is 20 pesos and the travel time for jeepney is about 17 minutes, or you can just also travel with your own motorcycle for just about 15 minutes.
Gosh, I'm really hungry. Dan, do you have some idea where we can eat?
Let me think.
Hi guys, how are you doing?
Finally, Jonna, we're hungry.
Yes guys, definitely. I have a place and food that you should try, especially you're visiting Valencia.
Oh, great!
Valencia Lechon or Valechon is located in South Street, Valencia, Negros Oriental, just a walking distance from the Valencia Plaza. With 4.8 star rate, it is open 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. They serve lunch and dinner. They have dine-in, take-out, and order reservations. With the casual atmosphere, sure thing that you will enjoy the very authentic Valencia Lechon, which is lechon belly or boneless lechon. As we want to try lechon for a very affordable price, we ordered their unlimited combo meal for only 85 pesos. I have tried Cebu lechon and that has a distinct taste. And trying this Valencia lechon is very uncomparable. It's authentic, well seasoned, and very juicy. By the way, for extra information, you can as well enjoy Valechon in this Valencia's very own night market called Sibaan and to this specific store as well.